Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, August the 17th, 2018. And we're also going to take a look to see how the week ended. So we'll be looking at the daily and the weekly, and boy, did we have a crazy week this week, but all of the major indices closed up for today, and we had a mixed close for the week, and Holly profited $1.72 for today, and was up 21.49 for the week. So let's go ahead, jump right in, and review and see how each of the indices fared. First, we've got the spiders, and you can see here a nice green candle, above average volume, closed near highs. So spiders are looking real nice. We're getting back up here to these highs here. You can see, we've got a breakthrough here, and then we've got these back here. But from today's candles, looking very, very nice. We'll just go right down the road. GLD, gold had a nice bounce today. Maybe it's hit its bottom, maybe it hasn't. Let's see if we get some follow through on Monday with that. IWM, you can see here we're kind of coming into a nice wedge, but we had a nice green day. Below average volume though on that. The diamonds, nice green day. Closed at near highs. Just above average volume. TLT, kind of a doji candle, but closed up from yesterday. IBB, green candle, and you can see here we actually closed very close to where we closed yesterday, but it was just a little bit to the plus side of yesterday. So same thing with the Qs here. Nice green candle above average volume there. We're right at that 20 moving average, just above where yesterday's close was. Now let's go ahead and bring in the little think or swim chart I have here, and I cleaned this up a little bit so that we can take some of the moving averages and stuff off of here. And so here's the diamonds. This is the last week. The last week of daily candles on this side, and over here you can see the weekly candles, and I've kept the moving averages on here so you can see what we're doing. And the blue is a 20, the yellow is an 8, this is a 50, and the green down here is the 200. And of course this is the Ichimoku cloud. So you can see here for the week we had a nice green candle, we had nice volume. But look at the daily, my goodness, we went all the way from down here below 250 all the way up to 257.12. So just a crazy ride for the week, but yet looking strong if you can get through all this volatility, unscathed. GLD, I mean, look at this here, the big drop we had, and now the turnaround. But if you look at it, we have an inside bar formation the last 2 days, so it's going to be important to get some follow through. Above today's high and get above this high of the high of 2 days ago. On the weekly candle, it's looking pretty sad. On the spiders, take a look there, and once again you can see the volatility throughout the week. All these wicks, it's just crazy. But yet the weekly candles kind of straighten it out a little bit, smooth it out, and you can see here we're riding real nice, based on the weekly candles, real nice. Last week we put this line in here to show some resistance, and it came down and just touched off of it, and now it's going back up. So this is the next resistance we need to get through, and then hopefully retest it as support. So on the weekly we're looking real nice on the spiders. IWM, once again a little bit of craziness throughout the week. But looking at the weekly candles, we're still riding above that 8 EMA, so looking good on the weekly. TLT, Another chart that's all over the place on the daily. The weekly. We had our third week of gains. Let's see what happens there as well. The Qs, boy, here's another volatile week all over the place. And, we bounced off of that 8 EMA. So on the weekly, still looking nice. We're right close to those all-time highs. So, it's probably just hopefully building some strength to bust through there next week. Let's see what happens Monday and throughout the week. The IBB, just a crazy candles here. But if we take a look at the candle from 2 days ago, yesterday was an inside bar formation to it. And today's actually an inside bar formation to that candle. So, we're going to be looking for a breakout, above this 116.69 or below this 115 to maybe get an idea of the direction. Based on the weekly, I would think that we have a good chance of breaking to the upside and based on the other candles. So that is our market review for today. Now let's go ahead and jump into Holly real fast. And going over so much information, it does take a while. And the Holly Grill had 21 trades for a profit of 97 cents and risk on profit $2.72. And you can see the histograms there looked fairly nice for them. We had a little pullback here and then went up nicely. Now Holly 2.0 didn't fare near as well. She had 17 trades, only 12-cent profit, and then on the risk on she lost 2 cents. And that loss came right at the tail end of the day. Holly Neo 23 trades. And you can see here she just, it was down from the beginning and just never really recovered. And, lost 75 cents, 23 trades. And on the risk on, lost 98 cents. So she struggled there. The way it all broke down is today we had 61 trades, 34 cents profit, $1.72 risk on profit. For the week, we ended up with 335 trades, $7.10 profit. Risk on profit was $21.49. So overall, a very, very nice week for Holly. We'll take a look at some trades real fast. This RSG was her best short trade. She made 12 cents of profit. And then she made 11 cents on a short here. So Holly Neo was nothing to write home about this week. The Holly 2.0, we had a short TRUP. And isn't it something that on a day where everything was up, the shorts were the ones that did well, or at least better in these two strategies. Two Holly strategies, but 82 cents on this one, risk on profit of 70 cents, and that was the best in both categories. Quick look now at Holly Grail, and this is the one where she did very well. So we had a 39-cent profit on the Vault strategy, ICHR. And you can see here when she first called it, it did pull back. It got near the stops, but did not stop out, and she held on, and it paid off. 39 cents profit, 53 cents risk on profit. And another Vault CDLX, she only made 13 cents. She got out because of a profit save. But then it did recover and went on to make 72 cents on the risk on profit. So that is your Holly update for this Friday and for this week. And I just want to give you the information again. If you've seen something you like with this software and you want to give us a try, we have standard plans and we have premium plans. We have monthly and we have yearly. So we do invite you to try it out. Here is the link to get into, sign up for that, put your credit card information in, etc. And if you use Bullseye 15, you can save 15% on your first month or your first year. Love to see you join us. And you can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. And remember, hit this thumbs up after you watch this video, as long as you liked it, that is. Maybe even consider sharing it with some friends and like-minded people. And if you see fit, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.